Welcome to a review of the 2023 Kia Seltos 1.4 Turbo GT Line. So this is the top of the range Kia. Look, I won't talk a lot. It's going to be a POV. You're going to be listening to me talking to myself and the salesperson. Enjoy. That's amazing. Okay, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Seltos. So you said it's a 1.4?
It's a 1.4 GT Line. It's turbocharged.
Okay.
And pulls at 74 kilowatts.
And the Newton meters?
Not too sure.
Not too sure about that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can I check the boot space just for a second? Is it electronic?
It is, but you still need. Oh, sorry, it's not.
Oh, it's powered. Okay. Okay, let's see if we
Got
put
a
our
full-size
bags.
spare wheel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Drive. We are turning right.
Yes. Right.
Okay. Oh, I think the trunk is okay. Let me. Sorry. I can. Let me jump quickly. Comfortable, yeah? Comfortable. And I know a person would like this car. See, but that's your mom.
Yeah.
Your mom would love this. Sorry. Oh, sorry. And then we go
So we go left.
left. Okay. Wow.
So the car has got drive mode. You can drive it on sport, normal drive, or economy.
Okay. Wow. I like the gearbox. Especially put your seatbelt.
It's comfortable.
Yeah, sure.
The 7-speed DCT.
Oh. I normally hear the DCT language when you're dealing with your sports cars and stuff. But I can also feel the same thing because the car is not laggy when it's changing gears.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the DCT
Sure.
is in the dual clutch transmission.
Okay.
You can basically drive it manually.
Okay. Let me stop here. So if you want to engage sports, do you need to stop the car or you can
No,
just do
you
it?
can.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Change it manually drive. You just go to the drive mode.
This one?
Yeah. You turn it to the left. Turn it to the left. It's on econo. It shows on your
On.
screen. If you turn again. If you turn again to the
Oh.
left.
Oh.
Yeah, so you
Okay.
can change that.
So this is economy, normal. Okay. Also, there are three driving modes basically. Okay, perfect. Oh, that's nice. So you're in sports now. Yeah, you obviously feel the gearbox is more responsive.
Yeah.
Whew. Wow, it's so cool. This is it. It feels like you can go to Cape Town and when you get there you're not tired. Sure.
It's also quite spacious.
Yeah. I mean, like when you look at the car from the outside, it looks small,
Yeah.
but once you get in, I don't know how manufacturers get that right. For me, it's quite puzzling. No, if I had this car, sport mode every day.
Yeah.
There's no way I'm trying. This is good.
You can go for the second left.
Okay.
Yeah.
this is good. This is really good. I was quite skeptical about it being a 1.4,
Yeah.
but I think it does the job, man. But the DCT in this, no, this is amazing. This is, oh, and the brakes. This is good. I mean, look, also for the price.
Yeah, it's
No, for the price. I think the competition is what? It's your T-Cross or something. No?
The T-Rock.
Yeah.
The Hyundai
Creta. No, this is good. No, this is good. This is very, very good. No, this is very good. No, I'm not gonna lie. This is good. And I think for the other cars you pay more. For the VW you will
Yes.
definitely.
It's about 55K.
Sure. Oh, you also have your
Reverse camera.
first camera.
Reverse sensors as well.
Wow. Okay, I might have butchered the parking a bit. Now this is amazing. I'm very impressed. Okay. Especially must get a license. We're used to looking at and there's something here that is basically making your job very easy. Okay. Price is 5, you said?
539.
539. This is a good car.
Yeah.
Very impressed. Can I try the radio? I just want to hear.
So it's on AM. You can change to YFM.
Okay.
I just don't understand. So your children are just high quality.
Decent. Okay. I know.
So basically, I made a mistake on the kilowatt.
Okay.
74 kilowatt is on the 1.6 petrol.
The naturally aspirated.
Yes.
Okay.
This is 103.
Ooh. Nice. No, thoroughly impressed. No. I am very impressed. Sure. No, thank you so much. Thank you very, very much. Yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the review because I certainly did. Anyway, let's talk about the important part now, which is the price. So this is pretty much the shots that I couldn't get. How the car looks like. This is the engine, the 1.4 turbo, petrol that powers this car. The rims with the red caliper to show that it is the top of the range Kia. These are the rear seats. Obviously, you're gonna get leather seats with the red accents there to indicate that it's the GT line. It is the top of the range. So yeah. Anyway, now let us talk about the pricing. So I'm on Auto Trader now, and this Kia Seltos is going for 500,000 rand. If you want to finance the car, you'll be looking at paying roughly 10,236 rand per month. So how did Auto Trader get into this? Okay, they are taking into consideration the fact that you won't be paying deposit, you won't be trading in any car, you don't opt for the residual or balloon payment, and then Your repayment period is going to be 72 months, calculated at 13.75% interest rate. That's how you get to the 10,236 Rand per month that you'll be paying for the Kia. Look, shop around. You heard competitors are the Creta, Hyundai Creta, and also the T-Roc or the T-Cross, between the two. So shop around and see which one suits not only your budget but your personality. But I think this is a good car. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.